What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Shocker Racing Garage. Today is flex day. We are finally going to be flexing out the 392 with the Clayton 3.5 inch lift on 40-inch tires. So what I like to do, this is my own little flex device here. Sorry, the sun's like right in my eyes. But I like to use our car hauler to flex it out and see how well she flexes. So I do know I was getting some rubbing in the rear wheel well here when we were at the sand dunes, and I think it was mainly rubbing on these metal cloak rear liners. So I'm hoping we don't have to do any more cutting here on the wheel well, and that maybe if I just remove the liners, I'll be good to go. So we're gonna test it out. I am on the 40 by 13.5 inch 20s that I got from Gladiator, the X-Comp Gladiators. The wheels I will be wheeling on are the 17s with the Mickey Thompsons, but these are what's on here. So I'm gonna flex it out for now, and hopefully this gives me a good enough indication so that we can start planning our first off-road trip. All right, so I'm gonna have Greg be my driver. So he's gonna go ahead and fire it up, Greg. That sound never gets old. All right, Greg, so what you're gonna do is, it's already in four-wheel drive. You're just gonna go ahead and hit the sway bar disconnect button down there. Yep, that should do it. And just for fun, go ahead and hit the off-road plus button. Not that we need that, but that's gonna be fun anyways, because it just changes the way it gears it. And I think we're gonna be good. Come on up. Keep coming. You can hold right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ramp in then. All right, yeah, I'm nowhere near. Still got lots of room here. All right, keep going, Greg. Okay, hold up, hold up. Yeah, we still good here. It's real close in the front. So I still got about 3/4 of an inch back here. I can't tell how close it is to the liner there, but we're real close up here. And still good up in here. Keep coming a little bit. I hear rubbing. Okay. All right, so actually it's the front and these liners are definitely the problem. For the first attempt, I am pretty happy with the amount of flex I'm getting out of this Clayton 3.5 with the 40s. The biggest thing I really have is these rear fender liners are my limiting factor right now. They are actually already hitting. I actually still have a little bit of gap in the wheel well here. It's like 3/8 of an inch, but I'm hitting the bumps in the back. So if I get rid of those rear liners, I should be fine with the way that the setup is. You could see with these metal cloak fender liners, let me show you here. With these metal cloak liners, they kind of angle down here and limit the flex capability because things start to rub in the front and the rear there. So I'm pretty happy. We're gonna try the other side out, and then we're gonna try out Send It Greg's JK, since we just did the Clayton lift on his. We'll give that a try next. All right, so we're about to test out flexing on the driver's side now. Greg's back in the driver's seat. Go ahead, Greg. So basically what has to happen is right about there, Greg, stop. So Greg got up just onto the hauler. Now I gotta put the ramp in so we can continue flexing. All right, go on, Greg. Okay, keep going. You rubbing? So I got plenty of room. It's definitely the liner. So liner's got to go. And then I'll be plenty of flex. So we'll be good. That's the key. We got to get those out of there. I was gonna try and do them last night, but I wasn't feeling it. All right. So next up, we're gonna send it Greg's Jeep here. Some of you may remember this was my dad's Jeep to begin with here, and then Greg's had it for quite a while now. Actually, a couple of years, Greg. Yeah, about 2 years now, and he's made a lot of changes since my dad had it. And most recently, we added the TerraFlex hydraulic bump stops on here, the speed bumps, and we switched from the 2-inch puck spacer kit over to the Clayton OffRoad 3.5-inch lift kit, which gained quite a bit more than 3.5 inches. So he ended up going from 33-inch, basically the stock Rubicon JL wheels and tires, up to a 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2. So Greg's right now, he's disconnecting his sway bars. He's got the JKS sway bar quick disconnects. So he's gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna try his out on the flex ramp as well, and just make sure that he doesn't have any issues with his brake lines or anything like that. So we're gonna try to come at the ramp here from a little bit more of an angle, so that the rear tire doesn't run into it as a problem. I think that's gonna do it, hopefully. I think we're just gonna clear. Keep coming. A little more, right there, hold on. I might be able to put the ramp in, and I'm gonna check your brake line, okay? So we're concerned right here about his brake lines, because we did get some extensions. So right now we still got some flexibility here, so we're gonna be good there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ramp in. Go ahead and keep going. I'll watch this brake line. Keep going. Huh? I mean, you're not even stuffed back here at all. Oh no, that's tight. Yep, that's your limiting factor right now, is your brake line. All right, so we got both Jeeps back here to the Shocker Racing garage. I'm gonna work on removing those rear fender liners on the 392, and we're gonna get back to figuring out exactly what to do with Greg's Jeep here with the brake lines. But that's gonna wrap up this video. It was just a little fun flexing things out and seeing what's going on with these Jeeps, so that we're ready to hit some trails. So stay tuned. We should be getting, probably I think gonna get out to Badlands here pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.